In LGBTQ community, there is a concept of coming out of closet. What that means is, have you told everyone what you are? You're not straight, you're gay, or you're lesbian, whatever. Do they know? Does everybody know? I think similar concept applies to riders as well. I've been riding for 2 decades, and my parents don't know that I ride for pleasure. They know I have a bike, and I ride it around the city, sometimes take it to the office and all. But they don't know that I ride from Pune to Goa, Pune to Bhopal, or even to Kerala from Pune. Because the amount of anxiety and the stress it would give them. There are news about some biker getting hit by a bus almost every day. And I know if they are aware that I am on a bike for 12 hours a day at a stretch, it's just going to be a hell day for them. So then I have not told them. But I thought I am the only one, right? Because my parents are a bit more protective, but then I met a lot of bikers in Pune and Kochi and Kurg, and looks like that's a common phenomenon in India. A lot of people ride a lot, their friends know, their relatives know, but their parents don't. And I think it makes sense. Overall, I have kept very few secrets from my parents. I don't smoke, I don't drink, so I have to lie very few times. But I think that's a lie worth having with your parents, just so that they don't get these stress. And since you are a mature rider, you're riding rather safe. You have your expensive helmet on. I have right now wearing Shoei helmet, Dainese jacket, Alpine Star boots, and everything in between is top class. Well, idiots are everywhere, so that's a risk. And parents know, your parents know there is an idiot on a car riding on the blind side, riding on the wrong side of a road on a blind turn. Your parents know, and that's why they are stressed out. It sometimes create a bit of funny situations within the family. I recently supposed to go to Gwalior, and I thought I'll ride to Gwalior all the way, but again I decided against it. So I rode to Indore, then I rode to Bhopal, and then from Bhopal I took Shatabdi and told my parents, here I am, and they're asking, did you come by air? And I thought I was almost flying through the AB road and whatever the good stretches I could find. But yeah, that's life of a rider. Do you guys have any are you guys out of the biker closet? Have you told your parents? And are there any funny situations about you keeping a secret and they are finding out? How did it go? Let me know. Thank you.